Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG. So PCLN inside bar on the daily time frame and a pretty strong close. We're definitely seeing that correlation with the market still present, but our resistance is still present as well. We have our double top at 1876 and 1875. Bulls have to see a bull break of the inside bar and a break of that resistance. That's pretty much the marker for me. This resistance of 1876 and the weekly middle Bollinger Band at 1881. If we do not get over these levels, the bears remain in control. So if we see the market pull back in the near-term future and see healthy consolidation, we'll look for PCLN to do the same, and I would look to play PCLN bearish in that scenario if we have not broken that resistance of 1876. So the break of the inside bar on the daily time frame tomorrow will be key, and if it is a bull break, we would expect the bull continuation to at least get over that 1876 level. NVDA also indecisive the past 3 days. Inside bar on the daily, we've got support at 177.58 and resistance at 180.58. So we're looking for a break of this inside bar as well. The bulls have control overall on the daily. If we see a bear break of 177.58, there's a gap to fill at 176.18. With the bull break of 180.58, we're looking at 181.98 and 182.70 as the next two resistances. So the bulls overall holding on, and they're having a nice week on the weekly chart, trying to follow through from the bulls buying the dip last week with the lower wick, bouncing off exponential supports, and keeping an eye on the key weekly exponential supports that have been holding for the past couple of months. But really, at this point, the inside bars for both PCLN and NVDA are going to dictate how the end of the week goes for the bulls or the bears and who will have control. Tesla on the daily, big time follow through on a bounce. We had support down here at 331.85. We bounced off of 331.28 and saw a very significant recovery with a close up at the high of the day, taking out resistance levels from the previous few days. So the bulls are in full control, showing a lot of strength, and we're looking for follow-through tomorrow because we closed at the high. And after hours, we were up in the 351s, so there was definitely follow-through after hours. We're looking at resistance right now of 351.49, and if the bulls can break that level tomorrow, that will be a good sign of continuation. The weekly time frame is trying to recover the middle Bollinger Band. That is resistance now. We are back testing it at 348.62. And we need to see a confirmation candlestick next week if we do see this candlestick close this healthy. One thing is for sure, Tesla had the most bull momentum out of all the names I was watching today. Baba had just as much, but other than that, Baba and Tesla led the way for the bulls. So the fact that Tesla has been so beat up under a very bullish market, we are going to be looking at how much recovery we can see in a short amount of time, and we'll be keeping signs out for overbought conditions on the hourly time frame. Perhaps if the bulls get too ahead of themselves, because it was all bull pretty much from late morning into the afternoon and into after hours. So very strong, but a bit cautious because we have plenty of resistance levels, including moving averages and previous prices to look at. All that being said, we are looking for some continuation tomorrow morning. Netflix on the daily, inside bar. So lots of inside bars to be watching out there. We have a double low of support down at 176.55, 176.58. The inside bar needs a bull break at 179.70, and a bear break would be 177.55. So an inside bar to be watching. Overall, the bears have momentum on the daily, but it's up to the bulls to break that inside bar bullish to try and head up to previous resistances. 183.34 is the key level. If we break that level, we'll have a double bottom and then a higher high if we can break that 183.34 level. Weekly time frame equilibrium pattern with our all-time high, low of consolidation, lower high, and the bulls are looking to form a higher low now. The middle Bollinger Band support will be in the low 170s next week, looking for the low 170s to hold if we do see a bear break on the daily and continuation down. But we're going to get a nice clear break on this weekly equilibrium pattern heading into the end of the year. CMG, bulls trying to see an inside bar, bullish reversal candlestick. So 4 out of these 5 names have daily inside bars to be watching tomorrow. The bulls need to see a break of 303.75 and a confirmation candlestick, and the bears want to see a break of 300 support, and that's the range we're watching right now. If we get a break at 300, we will likely test that 295 support sometime in the near term. The bulls need to hold this higher low. You see the weekly time frame with our low, our double bottom, and now trying to form a higher low to try to get over these exponential resistances. And as of right now, we have no follow through. Have to see the bulls get back into the 310 range at least to have some confidence that a higher low can be set. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a great night.